In today's world, cybersecurity is more important than ever. With everything from online banking to social media, safeguarding your personal information is crucial to staying safe in the digital age. Cyber threats can be overwhelming, but taking some simple steps can significantly reduce the risks. Here are 10 important cybersecurity tips to help you stay safe online. But before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe so you never miss out on our upcoming videos. Stay informed about new threats. In the rapidly evolving world of cybersecurity, it's important to stay informed about the latest threats. Cybercriminals constantly update their tactics, and new vulnerabilities emerge regularly. By following cybersecurity blogs, news outlets, and subscribing to security alerts, you can keep up with the most recent threats and adjust your defenses accordingly. Security software companies and independent experts often release updates or warnings about new types of malware, phishing attacks, or data breaches, so staying informed helps you understand how to protect yourself. Regularly reading cybersecurity news will keep you aware of potential threats and enable you to take proactive steps to safeguard your personal information. Back up your data. Regularly backing up your data is essential for protecting against cyber attacks, hardware failures, or accidental loss. By using cloud storage services or external hard drives, you can ensure that your important files, such as photos, documents, and emails, are stored securely. Cloud backup options like Google Drive, iCloud, or Dropbox offer convenience and automatic syncing, making the process seamless. For extra security, ensure that your backups are encrypted and password protected. It's crucial to make backup copies of sensitive information, so that if a cyber attack, such as ransomware, compromises your device, your data remains safe and accessible. Consider creating backups at regular intervals to keep your files up to date and minimize the risk of losing valuable data. Secure your devices. Securing your devices is a fundamental aspect of cybersecurity. Whether it's your smartphone, tablet, or computer, each device should be locked with a strong password, PIN, or biometric authentication, such as fingerprint or facial recognition. This ensures that even if your device is lost or stolen, unauthorized individuals cannot access your personal information. Many devices also offer features that allow you to remotely lock or wipe your data, which adds an extra layer of protection. Always enable these features to safeguard your data in case of theft. Additionally, keep your operating system and apps updated to ensure they're protected from known vulnerabilities. Regularly review the security settings on your devices and avoid downloading suspicious apps or files that could contain malware. Educate yourself and others. Cybersecurity is a collective effort, and educating yourself and those around you plays a crucial role in creating a secure online environment. Learning about common cyber threats, such as phishing, malware, and identity theft, helps you recognize red flags and avoid risky behavior. Stay informed about the latest security trends by following reputable blogs, websites, and cybersecurity professionals. Share this knowledge with your family, friends, and colleagues so they can also practice safe online habits. For example, encourage others to use strong, unique passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and avoid clicking on suspicious links. By raising awareness and promoting safe practices, you contribute to a safer online community where individuals are less likely to fall victim to cybercrimes. Monitor your online presence. Regularly monitoring your online presence is an effective way to protect yourself from cyber threats and identity theft. Check your social media accounts and online profiles for any unusual activity or unauthorized changes. Make sure your privacy settings are configured to limit the amount of personal information visible to the public. In addition to social media, keep an eye on your bank accounts and credit card statements for any unauthorized transactions. Many banks offer transaction alerts that notify you of unusual activity. It's also wise to request a credit report periodically to identify any discrepancies. By staying proactive and reviewing your online presence, you can quickly detect signs of identity theft or fraud and take action to protect yourself. Use secure connections. Using secure connections while browsing the internet is essential for protecting your personal information from cybercriminals. Always check for the HTTPS prefix in the URL of websites you visit, especially when entering sensitive information like passwords or credit card numbers. The S stands for secure, meaning the website is encrypted, making it more difficult for attackers to intercept your data. Avoid using public Wi-Fi networks for activities like online shopping, banking, or checking sensitive emails, as these networks can be vulnerable to hacking. If you must use public Wi-Fi, consider using a virtual private network, VPN, to encrypt your connection and protect your data from interception. A VPN adds an extra layer of security when browsing online, especially on unsecured networks. Be wary of phishing scams. Phishing is one of the most common methods used by cybercriminals to trick people into revealing personal information. Phishing scams often come in the form of emails, text messages, or fake websites that appear legitimate. They might ask you to click on a link, download an attachment, or provide sensitive information like login credentials or financial details. To avoid falling for these scams, always verify the sender's email address or the website URL before clicking on any links. Be cautious if the message contains urgent or alarming language designed to create a sense of urgency. Legitimate organizations will never ask for sensitive information via email. When in doubt, contact the company directly through official channels to confirm any requests. Update software regularly. Keeping your software updated is one of the most effective ways to protect your devices from cyber attacks. Developers frequently release software updates that patch security vulnerabilities and fix bugs. If you don't install these updates, your device may be exposed to known exploits. Enable automatic updates whenever possible, so your software is always up to date without requiring manual intervention. This applies not only to your operating system, but also to applications, antivirus programs, and web browsers. Cybercriminals often target outdated software with known vulnerabilities, so updating your apps and systems is essential for keeping your devices secure. Regular updates improve not just security, but also the performance of your software, reducing the risk of crashes or bugs. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. Two-factor authentication, 2FA, provides an additional layer of protection for your online accounts. With two-factor authentication, even if a hacker gains access to your password, they cannot log in without a second form of authentication. This usually involves a one-time code sent to your phone or generated by an authentication app. Many online services, including email providers, social media platforms, and financial institutions, offer two-factor authentication as an option. Enabling this feature significantly reduces the chances of unauthorized access to your accounts. It's a simple yet powerful security measure that enhances your online protection. Always enable 2FA on your accounts, especially those that store sensitive information, such as banking or email accounts. 1. Use strong, unique passwords. One of the most important steps in protecting your online accounts is using strong and unique passwords. Avoid using easily guessable information like your name, birthday, or common words. A strong password should be at least 12 characters long and contain a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Don't use the same password across multiple sites, as this increases the risk of a domino effect if one account is compromised. Consider using a password manager to generate, store, and autofill complex passwords for each account. A password manager eliminates the need to remember multiple passwords while ensuring they're secure. By using strong, unique passwords for each account, you create a critical line of defense against hackers. Thank you guys for watching. If you want more videos like this, make sure to like the video and hit subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.